a fabrication and measurement method for flexible ferroelectric element based on van der Waals Heteroepitaxy. Introduction.
Flexible and variable electronics is a hot research field application to change our daily life. As a permission technology for non-volatile flexible electric devices, we present the direct fabrication of epitaxial fixity on flexible metal substrate by van der Waals epitaxy. Then we checked the ferroelectric properties by the fixity thinking was banned.
Fabricating flexible PZT thin films. Cut a 1 cm by 1 cm mica substrate from a mica sheet with scissors. Fix this 1 cm by 1 cm mica substrate on a desk using double-sided tape. Use tweezers to peel off the mica layer by layer until the desired thickness measured with a micrometer. Paste this freshly cleaved mica substrate on a 5-inch substrate holder using a thin layer of silver paint and cure it at 120 centigrade on a hot plate for 10 minutes to affix mica on a substrate firmly. Put the PLD substrate holder into the PLD chamber. Select the repetition rate and the laser energy. Move the focusing lens to the set position. Open the shutter and deposit a 5 nm CFO thin film as the buffer layer by triggering the laser. Deposit a 20 to 80 nm SRO on a CFO buffer layer at the bottom electrode for the subsequent